In today's video, I'm going to teach you which is better, ClickUp versus Motion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to open both platforms, get oriented quickly, and understand which one fits your workflow best. We'll start by getting into each tool, then I'll give you a clear overview of how they work, and finally I'll share a straightforward recommendation based on what you need. First, let's open ClickUp. Go ahead and open your browser. In the address bar, type clickup.com and press enter. When the page loads, click Login and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, we're going to take a quick tour of the core areas that matter most for organizing work and collaborating with the team. Next, open Motion. Open a new tab in your browser, type usemotion.com, and press enter. When the site loads, click Login and sign in. You'll see right away that Motion looks and feels more like a scheduling assistant than a traditional project management tool, which is a big clue about who it's built for. We'll come back to that as we compare. Let's start with a quick overview inside ClickUp. In the left sidebar, click Spaces, then open a list. Think of a space as a top-level container for a department or large initiative, and a list as the organized place where your tasks live. A list is great when you want a clean, detailed breakdown of work with statuses, assignees, and due dates all in one place. With your list open, click the plus icon labeled Plus View. This is how you change how your work is displayed, and it's one of the biggest strengths of ClickUp. Choose the list view if you want a straightforward table-style layout for tasks and subtasks. Choose the board view if you want to drag and drop tasks across columns, perfect for Kanban-style workflows. Choose the Gantt view if you need a visual timeline to plan dependencies and see how work overlaps across weeks or months. And choose Calendar if you want to map tasks by date and get a sense of what's due when. Switching views doesn't change your tasks. It simply gives you different ways to understand and manage them. Now let's look beyond tasks. Click Docs to create and organize documents directly inside ClickUp. This is ideal for meeting notes, project briefs, and internal documentation without leaving your workspace. Click Whiteboards to map ideas visually, sketch workflows, or build simple roadmaps during planning sessions. And click Dashboards to bring your data together with charts, workload views, and progress tracking. Dashboards are incredibly helpful for team leads and stakeholders who want at-a-glance insights without digging through tasks one by one. These built-in areas, docs, whiteboards, and dashboards, make ClickUp feel like an all-in-one hub for executing projects and aligning teams. Now, let's switch to Motion and get a feel for how it approaches work. Click Calendar. This is the command center in Motion, and it's where you'll spend most of your time. Motion is designed to plan your day intelligently by arranging and rearranging tasks on your calendar for you, which makes it very different from traditional project tools. Click a date on your calendar and select Create Task. Enter the task name, set a deadline, and choose a priority. When you're done, click Save Task. Motion will take that information and automatically schedule the best time slot on your calendar to complete it, taking into account your existing events, your deadlines, and the priority you chose. Instead of manually moving tasks around, you let Motion plan the flow of your day. If your schedule changes, Motion will quickly reshuffle things to keep you on track, which can be a big time saver if you're juggling many commitments. As you can see, ClickUp and Motion approach productivity from two different angles. ClickUp is a full project management system that supports collaboration across teams, with custom workflows and multiple views to handle complex projects from start to finish. It centralizes planning, documentation, communication, and reporting in one place, which reduces tool switching and makes it easier to scale your processes as your team grows. Motion, on the other hand, is built to optimize your time on a personal level. It uses automation to plan your entire day with minimal manual input. If you want automatic scheduling, better time management, and less time spent deciding what to do next, Motion shines. It's especially strong when you work independently, need to protect deep work time, and prefer a calendar-first way of operating. Here's the bottom line. Choose ClickUp if you want a full project management system that supports team collaboration, custom workflows, and an all-in-one approach to organizing work. It's best for teams, agencies, and growing businesses that need structure, visibility, and shared accountability. Choose Motion if you want AI to plan your entire day with automatic scheduling and minimal manual planning. It's best for individuals, freelancers, and executives who want to maximize focus time and let the calendar do the heavy lifting. Both tools can significantly improve productivity, but the right choice depends on whether you need a team-centered project hub or a personal scheduling assistant. If your priority is managing complex projects with multiple stakeholders, ClickUp will feel like home. If your priority is getting through your day with clarity and momentum, Motion is hard to beat. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.